Durga Puja starts with a nostalgic sound of a special drum we call dhak, played by the dhak players. We call them dhaki in Bengali. This sound indicates the Durga Puja has arrived, indicates a special time of the year, a time to celebrate culture, art, mythology, religion, food, and people. Durga Puja, also known as Durgotsav, is an annual Hindu festival originated in the Indian subcontinent which pays homage to the Hindu goddess Durga and is also celebrated because of Durga's victory over Mahishasur, a deceitful demon in Hinduism. Devi Durga, killing Mahishasur with her trident while riding her Bahan lion, is a typical idol of Durga, which is in Bengali language we described as Durga Pratima. Durga Puja is an old tradition of Hinduism. Surviving manuscripts from 14th century provide guidelines for the Durga Puja, while historical records suggest that royalty and wealthy families were sponsoring major Durga Puja festivals since 16th century. Durga Puja is particularly popular and traditionally celebrated in the Indian state of West Bengal. Durga Puja in Kolkata has been inscribed on the Intangible Cultural Heritage List of UNESCO in December 2021. The primary goddess during Durga Puja is Durga, but celebrations also include her children: Lokhi, the goddess of wealth and prosperity; Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge and music; Ganesh, the god of good beginnings; and Kartik, the god of war. Lokhi and Ganesh flank the left of the Pratima, while Saraswati and Kartik flank on the right. The puja is performed in homes and public, the latter featuring a temporary stage and structural decorations, known as pandals, or in Bengali mandaps. The mandaps are mostly made with long bamboo sticks and cotton sheets. A lot of people and families look forward to this time of the year to earn their living by participating in various supply and decorating businesses. Durga Puja brings an economic lifeline to those people and prosperity to many small businesses. We visited a place called Kumartuli in Kolkata, a place famous for making artistic sculpture and idol of Durga. We met an artist in creation who was making an idol with clay and mixing jute fibers to get a better grip. It's important to note that all of the raw materials that are used in making of mandaps and pratimas are completely biodegradable and reusable. There are various stages of idol making before the Durga Pratima takes the beautiful final form. It was an amazing experience, a demonstration of how the actual making of Durga Puja starts. The prominence of Durga Puja increased during the British Raj in the province of Bengal, Orissa, and Assam. However, in modern times, the importance of Durga Puja is more of as a social and cultural festival than religious one. The festival is observed in the Indian calendar month of Ashin, which corresponds to September-October in the Gregorian calendar. The festival is also marked by extraordinary artistic and themed decoration of the mandaps, performance art, gift giving, family visit, feasting, and public processions. Kolkata is a city of nearly 15 million people, and during the festivity, that grows easily to 20 million. It's a busy time on the street, as traditionally people walk around the city to visit as many uniquely and artistically different mandaps and Durga Pratimas as possible. Puja mandaps are the venues of collections of artistic ideas. Sometimes ideas go wild and beautiful by putting the goddess and her family into London's Buckingham Palace. After a period of 12 months of planning, creativity, and hard work, Durga Puja is a 10-day festival, of which the last 5 days are the most significant. They are called Panchami, Shoshti, Saptami, Ashtami, Navami, and Dashami being the last day. The puja ends with an elaborated Dashami Puja to say goodbye to the goddess Durga and her family until next year when people will welcome her again. After a long and joyous week, like anything in life, the celebration comes to an end. Durga Pratima and the other idols were taken to submerge into Hooghly River in Kolkata, an event we call Bisharjan in Bengali. The clay and jute fibers of the idols get dissolved into the river, leaving the wooden and bamboo structures to be reused in the next year's celebration. Recycle of materials make Durga Puja a great festival of life, a festival of sustainability, environment, culture and art. It's a very sad time, marking Durga's departure and the end of the festival. A long wait ahead for the next 12 months until the next Durga Puja. In between time, life will change in different ways, but Durga Puja will be back as glorious as ever. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more regular video uploads, share with your friends and families, and enjoy the world's amazing diversity. Thanks for watching our travel videos.